Hi students, today we will study sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio as we have already studied new profit sharing ratio in our previous class. So look at the formula. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio and gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio, which is just opposite of sacrificing ratio. So either we calculate sacrificing ratio or gaining ratio, we must need two things. First is old ratio and the second is new ratio. In most of the cases, new ratio is given in the sums, but if it is not given, we will simply calculate it. Now look at the problem. X, Y and Z are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:2:1. Calculate sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio if they decide to share the future profit and losses in the ratio 4:5:3. So, in the given sums, there are three partners X, Y and Z who shares their profit in the ratio 3:2:1. So here 3:2:1 is their old profit sharing ratio. But now they decide to share their future profit in the ratio 4:5:3. That is their new profit sharing ratio. So in this sums, both is given old ratio as well as new ratio. So we simply put it in the formula to find either sacrifice and gain of the partners. Look at the solution. Old profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z is equal to 3:2:1. Sum total of the ratio is equal to 6, that is 3 plus 2 plus 1. Similarly, new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z is equal to 4:5:3. Sum total of the ratio is equal to 12, that is 4 plus 5 plus 3. So we simply use this ratio to calculate sacrifice or gain of the partner. So sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. First we calculate X share, that is 3/6, which is his old profit sharing ratio, minus 4/12, that is his new profit sharing ratio. We simply use LCM method to calculate the sacrifice or gain of X. So we will get answer as 2/12. So here X sacrificed 2/12 of his share. Now we calculate share of Y, which is 2/6 minus 5/12. 2/6 is his old profit sharing ratio and 5/12 is his new profit sharing ratio. We will get minus 1/12 as answer. So when we use the formula of sacrificing ratio and get a negative answer, it is considered as gain of the partner, not the sacrifice of the partner. Again I am repeating, if we are using sacrificing ratio and gets a negative answer, it is considered as gain, not sacrifice. So here Y is gaining 1/12 of his share. Now Z's share 1/6 minus 3/12. Again we are getting minus 1/12 as gain of Z because it is negative. So if share of X, Y and Z changes from 3:2:1 to 4:5:3, X will sacrifice 2/12 of his share and Y and Z are gaining 1/12 of their share. Again we will solve it using gaining ratio formula, which is new ratio minus old ratio. First we calculate share of X, 4/12 minus 3/6. 4/12 is new ratio and 3/6 is old ratio of X. We will get minus 2/12, which is a negative answer. So if we are using the formula of gaining ratio and get a negative answer, we will consider as sacrifice. we will consider it as sacrifice. Now y share 5 by 12 minus 2 by 6. 5 by 12 is new profit sharing ratio and 2 by 6 is old profit sharing ratio. We will get 1 by 12 as answer, which is gain for the partner. Similarly, in case of Z, 3 by 12 minus 1 by 6, we will get 1 by 12 as answer, which is again gain of Z. So either we use sacrificing ratio or we use gaining ratio, we will get the same answer always. So in this sums, X sacrifices 2 by 12th share and Y and Z gain 1 by 12th share.
If you like this video, please click subscribe to watch more such videos. Thanks for watching.